Fire destroyed several houses in Kingston today and forced a nearby school to close its doors shortly after opening. The fire burnt buildings at the intersection of Duke and Sutton Streets in downtown Kingston. TVJ's Anthony LUGG has that story.
Emergency plan activated, forcing parents to pick up their children from the St. Aloysius Primary School in Kingston just moments after school began.
I got a call that there was a fire next door to school, but when I came there was a lot of smoke. So I waited until the teacher decided to send them home, and then I got a permission slip from the teacher, carry it to the principal and get it signed to take him to carry him home, because all the class over the upper school is full of smoke, so they're sending home all the kids.
The fire, which started shortly after 8 Thursday morning, spread quickly. These windows, melted by the intense heat, and the ransacked library tell the frightening tale of what students were facing.
We have had the children crying, the children panicking just by seeing the very smoke, just by seeing the fire. Children have been panicking. So we took the decision to take them off the compound so that they don't even see the fire.
Frightened but safe. Luckily, no child was injured. For the owners of this board dwelling, these were the only items saved. Several pieces of clothing and furniture.
One of my co-workers said, fire, fire. Fire over Tony, and one of my co-workers live there. I say, where is Marva? And them said, nobody no know. I run and I kick off our door and start choke the things them. And the people them said to me, say, come down, cause the fire when I come down, I say, more things could have go up, and one next parent come and go up there, take out some of the things them, and then when Marva come, I say, Marva, where your money there? And she said, my money up there. I said, go up there, go take out something them, and she go up and show her things them, and then she drop down.
It wasn't easy for firefighters, who did what they could to put out the blaze.
6 units responded to the blaze from York Park, Halfway Tree and Trenchtown Fire Station, along with 35 firefighters.
The material used to build the structure made their job harder.
The fire spread very quickly because of the type of material that was used in the construction of the building. It is primarily constructed of wood and also nog wall type construction.
But after a little over an hour, the fire was under control. A team from the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation also visited the scene. The cause of the fire is still to be determined. As for the students, school resumes on Friday. Anthony LUGG, TVJ News.